$15. Right. Big up Addy. Big up Vibes Cartel. Vibes Cartel make sure say mute them good. He mute them well take care of or taken care of. None of cartel son them no they nowhere in the world. I call that a stress and look like them suffering. You want to see my son clean. If I alone my son with that each of a cassava piece are all over with him and a rub out him and make up. Where? Nah see that. You're too bad mind. In bright, a $15 cent for true. Yeah, see that money. Me have my money, bro. I have my money. Do this and beat me, bro. Do this and beat me. You see how money I read? Do it and beat me, man. Do it and beat me. Do it and beat me. I always have money and I always reach out. Do it and beat me, bro. You think I'm hungry down here? Never. Never. Big up my man. Because my man always make sure my son alright. Yeah, that Foota Hype. O'Neil Thomas. Tell him to do this and beat me as a baby mother and a Jamaica me there. Where your blood clot come send $15 come give me son. This are way more than $15, bro. Come again, bro. Do this and blood clot beat me. Do this and beat me. Do this and beat me, bro. Do this and beat me. I see that? My son's shoes are gonna reach him in a 2 seconds. Fuck deal. Do this and beat me, man, and move your blood clot. They are far a waste time. You know, say I waste time and space. Which man are gonna run your gun foreign and do nothing? What you do? Make you run your gun a blood clot foreign. I know me have questions where them do answers. Unanswered questions. Eh? Where you run your gun America gun do? Where you run it for? What did you do in Jamaica? Do this and beat me, bro. Do this and beat me. Me don't talk. Do this and beat me. You is a waste man, man. A fucking waste man. Do this and beat me, bro. 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 Foota, you have to go down. Enough people your style. Do this and beat me, bro. Do this and beat me, bro. Do this and beat me, bro. None of we not hungry down here. And my son not on a selector. And him not have to do no money pull up. And me not have to do no money pull up Foota Hype. Do this and beat my man. All they do is blood clot fuck with people. Do this and beat my man. Fuck deal. He's a fucking waste man. Him love come talk about people and look things and look height and look cloud. Nobody now look that off for you. I just tell you say you can't they are foreign and nothing now go on. As a big selector and you not feel no way in yourself. You not feel no way in yourself. Eh? You not feel no way in yourself. As a baby father, as a man of Jamaica, big selector, Foota Hype. You sit down and you're in everybody blood clot, passa. You and your big and careless. You know when it reach far, you are mad Lisa Hype. You know so Lisa Hype is a mad patient, a Bellevue patient. Lisa Hype have to get her injection. And you in the middle, a cartel things, in a cartel mix up, in a cartel life. Everybody knows that Lisa Hype have mental issues. You are trying to stir up anger. Go on, man. Look boy, your youth, bro. Stop tell my son say I go send him $500 from last blood clot September till now. And now the $500 can't reach. And we told you before September about the $500. And I know the youth not get the $500. Oh, you feel they are foreign, bro. And you can't send $300. If ever you send $300, bro, would I find the rest? Cause as you can see, me not hungry. Any of these century bills say, boy, tell mommy if you put her money on it. Tell the mommy if you put something on it. Them would have understanding. But yet daddy I can my son. I tell my son every minute, bro, me I wait for a thing. Wait for which thing, bro? What the fuck you there for do? Talk to me nice, man. We there for do Foota? Foota talk to me, you're in everybody life. You're in a Shanstam, front of Shanstam Bima. As I see the Bima drop, you're in the middle to pussy clot. Foota, relax, man. Foota, do better, man. Me shame, and I'm not in Jamaica. Nothing. We not hungry down here, bro. Me just want you to do the right thing. Me just want you to do the right thing as a father. What is wrong with you? You can't have care every day and chat people business and your business spoil. You know much time people tell me if I done him? I mean I done him. Me make sure say my son good, me alone. Me alone to blood clot as stepfather. My son don't want to become no blood clot selector. My son want blood clot doing business degree. And that him come out. Business degree. My son don't want to be no selector. We're not hungry. Do this and beat me, see it. Do this and beat me, bro. Do it and beat me, bro. Yeah, they are foreign. Show what foreign I do for you. Show what foreign I do for you, bro. Show what foreign I do for you. Eh? Yeah, they are foreign I waste time. No waste of time, man. No know they're on earth for waste time, bro. Say I'm money here this year. 2020 Bumbo Clot 5 is enough. Now send no more message to my son, man, about this and that timing, man. You make blood clot January pass. Bro, come on. Don't do it, bro. Don't do it, bro. Don't send my son no more WhatsApp. I tell him about me I wait for a thing. Me I wait for a thing. You know from when I wait for a thing? You have time for you watch Cartel and Shanstar. Man, no think can blood clot reach. Eh? I'm tired, bro. Guys, I am tired. Work hard. Yo trabajar duro como madre solteras, como madre que ama a su hijo, que quiere que mis hijos salgan bien en todo en el mundo. Yo te amo, mi hijo, con toda mi alma. Ah, yo te amo, mi hijo. Yo no puedo estar así como usted en los Estados Unidos, no haciendo ni mierda, no está trabajando ni nada, hombre. Eh? You know, do nothing. You know, sit down big and ugly saying that the blood clot people them carry foreign. Yeah, what? Gatekeep? Yeah, most blood clot dancehall archive. Me tired, man. Aisha no like you. You watch Aisha, my baby mother. And my baby mother this, so the girl that even acknowledge you as our baby father. You know, shame. Nobody want nobody know that. First of all, me don't want nobody know say I'm a baby father. Me go hide. Right now, me should block out my face because me tell myself so me don't make nobody see my face because me don't want nobody know say me acquainted to you. In no way or form. The only thing me rate and love out of this is my son. Me love him. He might make me proud. My son lick down every exam and every test and everything. My son enough born failure. You hear that? You're too fucking bad mind as a father. If you never bad mind your son, you would have make sure say your son good. You would have make sure say your son good. When you hear your son say, Daddy, you don't say school fee at 200 and odd, you come and some me and my son sit down and talk about payment plan, me and my son. Sit down and calculate how we're going to pay school fee monthly. You nah do that. You just stay there and watch Shanstar. You watch every blood clot man cocky. Yawa. Eh? Me tired of you. Let me say, do this and beat me. Let me pull them out. Pull them out. Do this and beat me, man. What me say? Footer, get there foreign. Do this and beat me. Because we not hungry down here. But just I tell you, say, come out of people busy because I don't send my son no more blood clot WhatsApp. But how much? Me not the money. Where you there foreign I do? I watch people like do this and beat me. Send 2 barrel come give family my cassava piece. Do something. You there foreign waste time. What you there foreign do? Eh? Foreign everywhere Jamaica are too, but we're hustling in the streets and things I forgot. Soy trabajadora. No tengo tiempo para jugar con nadie. Tú sabes, ¿eh? No tengo tiempo para hablar con nadie sobre nada que no es el dinero, güey puta. Si no es eso, a mí no importa ninguno de ustedes, porque no tengo tiempo por eso. No tengo tiempo. ¿Qué tú piensas? ¿Piensas que soy loca? ¿Que soy boba? Tú eres una boba. Boba. Eh? Stop watching people in life. Stop watching people in life. Do this and beat me out of my blood clot duffel bag. Do this and beat me. Where they are foreign for? This we all they are for. Hear that? This what all they for. No tengo tiempo para jugar con nadie. Dinero es lo que vale, mierda. Es lo que vale, mierda. Usted no es nadie, mierda. Beso, we puta. That alone we give a fuck, boy. Hear that? You them have to eat and you them have to survive and you them have to reach far. Fuck you. Move your blood clots. Come good and come again and fuck up some money where you save a foreign and show away. Better you make I send it down because you're not doing nothing a foreign. Nothing you're not doing. And the whole of your family afraid of you. Everybody afraid of you. I'm afraid to tell you the blood clot through workless man. Every day so long that care people them don't know if you have a bed, them don't know if you have a kitchen. I don't think you have a pot. Because I never yet see you cook a foreign. Never. Me never yet see you with a plate of food. Sometimes I have to wonder if a blood clot people business full of belly. Eh? Tú sabes. También mi hijo habla los dos idiomas. Por eso mi hijo tengo eso, hombre. No puede sobrevivir sin eso, vean. Vean. No puede sobrevivir sin eso. ¿Qué tú sabes? ¿Ah? ¿Ah? ¿Qué tú sabes? No tengo tiempo para jugar con nadie. ¿Yo? ¿Para qué? No tengo tiempo. No soy mamá boba. No soy mamá estúpida. Soy una buena madre. No tengo tiempo por mi hijo llamándome, diciéndome, mami, quiero eso, quiero eso, quiero eso, y no puede hacer nada. How do you feel? It's typical that they are fired my son about me so for money and me no go find ways to get that. Yeah, be it. Unless you have it and you just throw on the blood clot, people get it. Wicked. Wicked. I want this reach you. I want you feel it. When I'm in ear business, you never want to support me. You don't support even nothing at all. You're an evil man. Evil nigga. Big up stepfather. If I never have a stepfather, he ain't dead for hungry. If I never have a stepfather and me right here, stepfather love him to bed. Hear that? Enough people love my son a God bless. You see you, look how sour about your Foota. You sit on a blood clot car every day and nah do nothing by yourself. Nah better your life. Sit on in a bar, first you gotta go sit on a barber shop. Which top man we want some out of life I go sit on a barber shop? Barber shop, I used to sit down in there, you know, and carry Aisha and a picnic in a barber shop, go sit down with you, you know. My son don't want to be like you. Do this and beat me. Do this and beat me, big pussy Foota. Do this and beat me. Boy, I send $15, come give me son. Bright. Move, man, and go with that. You should have shame. You should look at yourself and say, blood clot, bro. Me can't send $15 go give me son. Me can't send $15 go give me son. I fuck with that me I do. You come and send $15. Trudy, the boy outside. Me say my friend them despise you as a father. Tag him. Tag him. He's a waste. Tag him. I want him realize say him now said no train. Not fear now I'm over there so. Don't think you're somebody. Because from the day you get up start boy you talk about cartel and you talk about chance and because you feel you're somebody. You're nobody.